Got too many notifications piling up and don't want a record of them? Let's wipe your notification history in a few taps. Welcome to Life at Hacks. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to delete your notification history on Android. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Tap Notification. Step 3. Then choose Advanced Settings. Step 4. Now tap Notification History. Step 5. Finally, turn the toggle off. That's it. Turning off notification history deletes the saved list of past notifications from your device. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe to Life at Hacks for more quick Android tips. See you in the next one.